Eufy versus Reolink. Let's start with Eufy. So Eufy focuses on privacy-first smart cameras with no monthly fees, offering high-quality hardware that stores footage locally while maintaining strong smart home integration. So what it offers is it has no subscription needed, and for most features and local storage. It also has a high resolution camera with onboard AI for person and pet detection. It also has a great app interface with smart alerts and zones and integrates with Apple, HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. And they also have a sleek design which is very easy to install. The only downside is it's not ideal for large-scale wired setups. Now Reolink on the other hand, Reolink offers a mix of Wi-Fi, PoE, and 4G security cameras, popular for users who want flexible setup options and higher-end surveillance features, including NVR support and solar-powered models. So, it offers both wired and wireless options. They also have a 4K resolution available across many models. It also works well with NVRs and 24/7 local recording, and they are solar powered as well, so they work on outdoor and they have outdoor cameras available. And they support RTSP for broader compatibility. The only downside is the app experience isn't as polished as UV. So UV is perfect for smart subscription-free security with solid AI. And Reolink is best if you're looking for flexibility and higher resolution and scalable wired or solar system.